Welcome. I am Eric with Muathe.com with another quick educational video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at an example for a stock that had a good run in 2020. This is a stock from the Australian market. Ticker symbol RBL. Now, this could be any stock, any market in the globe. It could be cryptos. They all follow the same script that I've been talking about for 20 years. All right, so we can see an explosive move in 2020 when it broke out. So there's your price breakout, and hence why playing breakouts, why playing momentum makes sense. It clears prior monthly closing highs. Oh, by the way, this is a monthly chart. So let's not trivialize this. After spending many months, in fact, going back to 2016 here, the breakout right there takes place in 2020. And it moved the stock from a price of about, let's call it under 2, and in about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months would go on to trade as high as, let me see here, 735. A big gain in 8 months. Now, like I said, the recipe that these stocks, explosive stocks, follow is the same. Anywhere, any market, any sector. We can see here the RSI jumps to 3-year highs and also happens to conveniently move above that 69.1 threshold. So that's minimum requirement on the RSI met. And if we take a look at the MACD, you see that the MACDs were not to be left behind, as this is the period here, right there. Of course, the breakout is this breakout here. Take a look at your MACDs. They also move to 3-year highs. Hence, this is what I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. There are going to be a lot of free links in the description of this video explaining this method with lots and lots of examples. Again, as I stated, I've used this concept, taught this concept over the last 20 years. And irrespective of what sector of the market, cryptos, stocks, foreign markets, it doesn't matter. All of them follow the same script before they skyrocket. So rather than own a stock that is sideways for 4 years here, doesn't it make sense to buy the stock when it breaks out and hold it for a couple of months and increase the odds of riding this explosive run? It's a simple method, so worth your consideration if you are so inclined. Links are going to be in the description of the video, again, linking you to my other YouTube videos talking about this concept. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I leave you, beloveds, in the love and the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth, therefore, rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator. Adonai.